In this video, we're going to be looking at finding the area of two composite shapes. Here I have 40 centimetres by 30 centimetres, and I have a semicircle on the end here. So I'm trying to find the area of the whole of this shape. Well, 40 by 30 is going to be quite simple. We know that this rectangle in here is going to be equal to 40 multiplied by 30. That's the area of a rectangle, is length times width. And if this is a semicircle, well, the area of a whole circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. If it's a semicircle, it's therefore half a circle, which means we need to divide our answer by 2. So we need to work out what our radius is. Okay, well, I've got this length here, that's what I need to find, and I need to halve it to find my radius. I can see that my length on this side is 30 centimetres, therefore this length here must be 30 as well. 30 is my diameter, so 15 is going to be my radius. So to work out the semicircle, it'll be pi times 15 squared, and then divided by 2. So let's work out my two answers and add them together. First of all, I've got 40 times 30, which is 1,200. And I've got pi multiplied by 15 squared. Remember, it's 15 squared times pi. The squared only applies to the 15 here. And then I halve that answer. So I've got 1,200 plus 353.429 plus more digits. So altogether, that makes 1553.43, and I've rounded my answer to 2 decimal places. And my units, because I was measuring in centimetres here, and I'm working out an area, my units will be centimetres squared. Let's have a look at this shape. You're told in this question that you have 4 semicircles around the outside of a square. So I've got 5 different shapes to calculate. I have 4 semicircles and the square. Let's do the square first. Well, it's a 10 by 10 square. 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So there's the area of my square. Now, if I've got 2 semicircles, that's exactly the same as one whole circle. So in fact, these 4 semicircles together are the same as, I'm going to write here 4 semicircles equals 2 circles. So I'm going to be doing pi times the radius squared, which is 1 circle. I'm then going to be multiplying that by 2 to find the area of these 2 circles together. Okay, well, my radius is what I need to work out. I know my diameter is 10, therefore that means my radius is going to be 5. So it's 2 times pi times 5 squared, which is the same as 2 times pi times 25. 2 times pi times 25 on my calculator. I've also got this 100 here as well from the square, plus 100. Altogether, my total is equal to 257.08, and I've again rounded to 2 decimal places in brackets there, and my units will be centimetres squared.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.